Hi friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox and test this wireless mouse. This is a dual mode wireless mouse, Bluetooth plus dongle. And it's made in China. This mouse only supports the Windows operating system. Ultra slim design, 10-meter radius, and power saving. This side product features and made in China. Okay, let's unbox the mouse. Inside the box, first the mouse and a charging cable. This is a Type-C charging cable. With this product, the company did not provide any user manual. Okay, here is the transparent mouse. It's looking good, strong, and the finishing quality is also good, but not a premium. I can see all the components inside the mouse. The company installed a 500 mAh rechargeable battery. Here you can see. At the front side of the mouse, Type-C charging port. Let's try to charge this mouse with this charging cable. Okay, here you can see it's charging. At the back side of the mouse, using this switch, I can turn on and off this mouse. Also, I can switch from the Bluetooth mode to the dongle mode and from the dongle mode to the Bluetooth mode. This is the mouse USB dongle. Now let's test this mouse. So first I am going to connect this dongle to my desktop. Okay, now let's turn on the mouse. Now my mouse is in dongle mode. Okay, here you can see mouse is working perfectly. Now let's connect this mouse to my laptop in Bluetooth mode. So to do this, first I need to turn on the Bluetooth mode of this mouse. So this mouse is now in Bluetooth mode. Now I need to turn on my laptop Bluetooth. So I'm going to my laptop Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth, add Bluetooth and other device, Bluetooth. Okay, here you can see BT 5.2 mouse. This is the mouse Bluetooth name. Okay, connecting. Okay, it's connected. Its device is ready to go. Guys, here you can see my mouse is working on my laptop perfectly. Now let's switch to the desktop. For this, I'm just turning on this switch to the dongle mode. Okay, now here you can see, now I am connecting to my desktop in dongle mode. Again, I am switching to my laptop. I am just turning on Bluetooth mode. Okay, now I am connecting with my laptop. It's really easy. Friends, you can also connect this mouse to your Android phone or tablet. To connect this mouse, first you need to turn on the device Bluetooth. Then you need to turn on the mouse in Bluetooth mode. Search the mouse name on your Android phone or tablet. Here you can see the mouse name BT 5.2 mouse. So select it. Select pair. Okay, device is connected. You can see the mouse icon on my Android phone. So this simple way you can also use this mouse on your Android device. Okay, here you can see on the right side red mouse. This is my old mouse. It's only support dongle mode and it's not rechargeable. And on the left side, you already know this mouse support dual mode and it's rechargeable. Both are almost the same size, but the red one is a little bit fat. Although this mouse board is transparent, but it is strong like other mouse. Finishing quality is good, but it can be better. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you are, then please click on the like button. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming videos. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe. See you in the next video.